Right, I'm gonna teach you how you guys can create a avatar for your Facebook. Click on your profile once again and click on setting and privacy and click on setting, and then you need to click on Meta Account Center, and from here you will need to choose your profile, Facebook profile actually. So here is an avatar, and from here you guys can create a scratch, or you can use a Facebook given avatar, or you can still use a create from scratch option and click on continue. This will give you ability to customize your own avatar and everything. So here you can choose any colors you wanted to, hairstyle, say this one, and body, and there is eyes as well. You can even choose the color of your eye by picking up the color palette here. So the pink one, and you can customize nose. Even you can do like nose piercing if you have done some nose piercing holes. There you go, and lips as well. So you can choose whatever you want to do here, just customize according to your personal need. All right, and here is a hearing device as well if you are disabled to listen some sounds. And outfit you can change from here. You can choose whatever outfit you wanted to, that is given by Facebook. You can see that, pretty crazy. So if you wanted to have a headwear, then it's available here as well. And even if you have like goggles, you can use eyewears. Well, there you go, and you can click on done editing once you guys have satisfied editing your avatar, and click on save, and you can see your avatar is being updated. Alright, so this will take some time, so you need to be patient right now, and once it's done you need to hit on done. Well, that's guys, so this is how you can create your avatar on your Facebook. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.